Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video I will teach you how to turn off notification for all comment on your YouTube channel. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to your YT Studio app in your mobile phone. So make sure you log in your YT Studio app and YT Studio dashboard. So click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen and click setting. In setting, click the notification, comment important. So click this, and now you can turn off the notification for all comment. So click the none, turn off notification for all comment. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.